Some technical difficulties putting this together.
I got it.
You got what?
I got it.
Suppose you are you supposed to lose that part?
No, because it's 3/8 and they got a 1/4. And so you got the 1/4. There you go.
First film on the Joby. I gotta get used to this weight. So, ooh, I gotta get used to the weight for real.
Let me see. Let me see.
Got off work early, cleaned my car. About to head downtown. Do some bicycle riding. Basically just, you know, enjoy downtown. Yeah, I really gotta get used to this. Oh, snap. So we got down here and the bicycle place is closed. So now we trying to figure out where we can go to rent a bicycle or get some rollerblades from a thrift store. That's what she want to do. I'm not into that type of stuff though. Only her. Only her. What's your problem? Don't even know how to ride a longboard. What type of crap is that? Value World. Never heard of this store till today. About to go see if we can find some refurbished rollerblades. Finally got back downtown. Hopefully them blades are smooth. I told her to try it out, but she don't listen. She don't never listen. But if you don't hear, y'all go feel. Remember me tell her that. I told her to buy a bicycle at the thrift store. See how slow she going? Y'all see how slow she going, Vlogworld? Why you going so slow? Trying to speed up. Alright, Vlog World, so we about to head into the city now, and Haile sucks on this rollerblade. There she is over there. And I'm getting used to the tripod, so hopefully that zoomed caught her. But we're moving slower than I thought, so whatever. And then we got Robot Man over there playing his music. Heck is that guy doing? Train is finally out. They testing it. The train that's supposed to be downtown. That's sweet as heck. It's my first time seeing it. The inside of that building. That's an adventure in there. An adventure waiting to be explored. Haile's still struggling with the skates.
Oh my goodness.
Cracks. She's saying that because of the cracks. So vlog, Haile went rogue and she just took her stuff off. Now she putting them back on because she realized she looked crazy.
I don't care how I...
You a psycho. You's a psycho. Do you know that? Five Guys. Food was great. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. It costed too much though. Five Guys, I don't like you for that. She messing with the lens. Why you messing with the lens? What's your problem? What is your problem, man? Look how far back she is. She's been incredibly slow all day. All day you've been slow. Whoa! Look. You don't see all them bikes right there that we could have took? She don't never want to listen, vlog girl. And now we back at the Riverwalk. Now we back at the Riverwalk, and she talking about her feet hurt. She ain't even went 2 miles. She went half a mile.
From down there to freaking Hart Plaza is like a mile, and then from Hart Plaza down to freaking Greektown is like another 2. So you can shut up.
She lying. So how's your day so far?
It's nice. It's a gorgeous day out.
Hear that? She lying to the camera.
I'm not. I mean, I'm out here in shorts. Am I not?
It's like 24 degrees outside. So, just putting back the, what is it called? Rollerblade. Cause Haile tired. Talking about she wants some ice cream.
Alright guys, peace out till next time.
What type of signing off was that? This ain't Nickelodeon. Alright guys, peace out till next time.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
This is not Baywatch. This is not Baywatch vlog. But you don't know, I'm at thing till next time. Apparently, she wants to walk all the way down the Riverwalk. All the way down the... I'm walking and she on a longboard. She don't want to be on the skates. And I gotta walk down here and suffer this. And suffer this, vlog bro. Almost to the end. We got this. Come on. Come on. Come on. She feeling real hurt right now because the real rollerbladers are coming through. Are you feeling hurt? Look at them, the real bladers.
Good job, guys.
Real bladers. I like that. I like that. I like that. Look at them, not complaining or nothing.
Because their blades are a lot better.
But
than
you
the ones that I
complaining.
got.
But you complaining.
Complaining about that mile.
Now you know I had to vlog this. We walking past the great Joe Louis Arena right now. People run up and down them steps, but I would never do it. It's too many steps. Too many steps. I'm not running up nowhere. Go. Nike store. What's going on? All right, this is the last thing that we're doing. Last thing. No more signing off to the vlog, but this is actually it.